Morning, Steve here in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, the sloppy, choppy, low volume trade continues overnight with prices a little bit lower. We saw a lot of estimates for the Brazil soybean crop, a couple at 106 million tons, one at 109 million tons. These are all higher than USDA and new records. Farmers sold about 45% of the crop. This is below last year an average. Some people think that if they could get more reals, or if the logistics in the north improve, they could actually sell more beans. So for this supply bears, this should be negative to beans, and maybe we start slipping a little bit lower in prices. Still, the funds are long, beans and corn, and they still think there's a chance for a weather issue this summer in the United States. Down in the southern plains, some of the winter wheat estimates down there slipped a little bit lower. It's dry in Kansas, and so we'll see if that has any impact, whether warm temperatures brings the crop out of dormancy, start stressing the crop. There is some colder temperatures forecasted for early next week. Some people think that's a good thing for the Kansas winter wheat crop because it slows it from coming out of dormancy, gives it a little bit more chance to get some rains. Down in the U.S. soft wheat areas, we're watching temperatures Sunday morning. They could be below freezing for areas in southern Indiana, southern Ohio, and Kentucky, and see if that might cause any stress. The focus as we get closer to Thursday will be the USDA supply and demand numbers. Most people think that they could lower the U.S. corn, soybean, and wheat carryouts due to higher demand, but raise the world carryouts due to bigger Brazil, soybean, and corn crops. There is some talk that maybe the Chinese buying of beans might be slowing down with a little bit lower crush margins, and that they've got a lot of beans coming in for imports, and that could offer some resistance to the market. Yesterday's corn, bean, and wheat export inspections were better than expected and offered a little bit of support to the market. In talking to our farmer in Central Illinois yesterday, they're itching to get into planting. It looks like conditions are good, and that they're going to take care of the crop with fertilizer and chemicals, hoping for bigger yields. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.